Hi guys, so I thought I would do a quick tour of my beauty room. Yeah, so I'll flip you around and I'll show you around my salon. So we walk in the door here, this is what you see. So I have lip scents, Senegence products here that I sell. I have my sign. And around here is all my waxing station. So waxing, and I have all my eyelash extensions, tinting, everything else in the boxes. Window, and this is the bed. And I have all my nail polishes. Oh, these are all my gel polishes. So as I've said before, I absolutely love Urban Graffiti by Nayo Nails, so I have plenty of theirs there. And all my gems are there as well. My swatches. So this is my nail station, so I've got all my bits and pieces that I need here. So in these drawers, this has got my core base acrylic, tips, any tools. This is like, yeah, my drawer that I use most. On here I obviously have all my brushes that I use all the time, and my in here is, you know, my prep products that I have all the time, the brushes that I use most of the time. So I have my gel residue wipe off and my acetone in there. So this is just all easy to reach things. My monomer, in my little owl here I have some lid-free white pads. So, and in my second drawer I have my acrylic colours. So most of these are Glam and Glitz. I do have some of other ones in here, but most of them are Glam and Glitz or Naos. This drawer is my glitter drawer. I need to put a thing down the bottom. So I've got all my glitters in this one. Next one is all my nail art things, just, you know, pigments and all these kind of these things. My stamping polishes. It's a bit messy in here at the moment. Paints and foils and things. And this one is my SNS, and these are all just extra things that I have. It's my Sharpies for Sharpie things, but this is just all extra bits and pieces, and the bottom drawer doesn't have anything in it at the moment. So there's that. Then I've got my nail table where I sit. I sit this side. I have a little bin on the side for me, which is handy. I have all my designs that I have done for clients to have a look at. I have my Swarovski crystals in here, so I'll keep them separate to the ones up here because they're just like the stones, just normal stones. So yeah, they're my Swarovski ones. Keep them separate because, as everyone knows on this channel, they're very expensive. So I have that here, and then my clients sit on this gorgeous chair. I love this chair, it's my favourite. I'm just sad that I don't get to sit on it. It's my chair for my clients. And then I have like my diplomas at the top and my makeup station. So that's all my makeup, makeup that clients can test out before they buy them off me. So yes, so that is my salon. Just to show you guys how I set it up. The wallpaper I got from eBay, pretty cheap and easy. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching my channel. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll speak to you later. Bye!